Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I want to do a quick walkthrough on this brokerage boat I just listed. It's a Freshwater, 60 hours on it, 2023 Cruisers Yachts, 34 GLS. Let me show you some cool things. First of all, look at this dash. Really nice. You got two Garmin screens on there. Right now I have the Volvo Penta dynamic positioning system, which is kind of like what we would be familiar with on the Merc Cruiser system, a Skyhook. It's holding me in spot while I'm shooting video and taking pictures. Pretty tight quarters right here inside my marina. I'm not worried about it one bit. They did upgrade and got the dynamic positioning system, some upgraded joystick controls on it too, with a bigger antenna and software on top. All digital throttles. You got electric trim tabs. There's my joystick. Throw your phone down there, get it charged. Great looking dash, very sporty. So here in the cockpit, you got the companion seat right there. It's flip-flop, face forward, face back. Got the SeaDek throughout. This is a South Beach edition, so you get this upgraded upholstery color. They also got all the options. You got a Ice Maker back here in the back. There's a Kenyon grill there. I got some pictures, be sure to see that. A little cockpit sink, cockpit table. Put the table in two different spots there. There is a refrigerator under the helm seat. It's like a drawer, so you don't have to go downstairs. Yeah, there's a cabin and microwave and fridge down there, but you don't have to go down there to grab drinks during the day. Tons of seating in this cockpit. Really, this extended swim platform, you're almost 39 feet long. Right now I got this back bench seat all folded down, and this is like your sun lounge, right? So that backrest goes up, seat back goes down for seating, so you can convert it all back into the regular cockpit style seating. But look how much shade you have. Sure shade's fully extended, about 7 feet. Then you got this nice fiberglass hardtop all the way to the helm. Everybody's in shade. Customer did upgrade the stereo, did some fancy lights. Hey look, we're gonna get ready and also put a TV in the cockpit. There is, I got the engines running so I can't drop it, but a two-step swim step that'll go down. It's underneath the swim platform now. It's actually two steps. It's wide, it's nice. People can hang out in the water. Let's walk up to the bow. There's no steps. I'm just walking fast, easy, not worried about it. Really deep bow. Great stereo, controls up here. Another table, filler cushion, sun lounge. Great wraparound seating, storage under those seats. I really like, it's got a drop down armrest there, but there's a cooler right here in the bow. So everybody up front don't have to go in the back to grab a drink. How convenient is that? Also has a bow shade system. That's what those poles are for. You can pop in your poles, easily put up some bow shade, and then you got about, I don't know, 39 feet of shade on your whole boat once you get anchored out. There's a windlass down here. You got foot switches there. It's nice and hidden, you can't see it. Let's take a look at the cabin real quick. Again, I'm at Pier 121, Robert Moody with MarineMax. If you're interested in this boat or any of the other ones we have available, please give me a call. A few steps down here. This is air conditioned. This table can drop down, cushions come out, make this into a nice bed. Another TV down here. A lot of cushions, control panels behind those cushions there. I do have some windows. There's my microwave, big stereo. There's a bigger refrigerator downstairs. Here's the little mid-berth. Air conditioned, reading lights. Someone else come cool off, they can. And a really nice day head. It is a wet head, so I do have a shower head up there. Curtains drain in the lower corner. Air conditioned, exhaust vents. If you're looking for a nice big day boat, everybody likes being outside, but maybe you want a little place to cool off down in the cabin, this is the boat. Only 60 hours on the Volvo Penta engines. It's got a diesel generator. Cruisers Yachts use diesel generators because around here we put way more time on our generators than we do on the engines. So it's just going to last longer, be quieter, and run cooler. Again, Robert Moody with MarineMax. If you want to see this boat, please give me a call, 214-244-5535. Thank you.